Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of the July 2022 Curlbox. So this is how it comes packaged. Looks like there's a little spillage there, but we'll see when we open it up inside. So it comes a box within a box. So let's open it up and let's see what's inside this month. Ooh, wow. I am loving her braids. So this month's feature is Eden Bodyworks. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products this month. So we have a peppermint tea tree clarifying shampoo, peppermint tea tree detangling conditioner, peppermint tea tree moisturizing hair milk, peppermint tea tree hair oil, and the coconut shake curl defining cream. So these are the products in our curl box this month. Then we got a brochure explaining why peppermint and tea tree oil is used in this hair care line. And also it lets us know when is a clarifying shampoo useful. So I'll definitely take time to read this out a bit. So these are the products. So first off is the clarifying shampoo. Now right off the bat, before opening this, I smelled peppermint. This is a detangling conditioner. So we have a shampoo, we have a conditioner. Very excited to see how this is gonna work in my hair. We have a hair milk. Okay, I don't have this yet in my collection, a hair milk in my collection. Then here is the oil neatly packaged and in a Ziploc baggie. So yeah, and then finally this one is not a full-size product. It is a small sample size, but I am still going to try it out. So that was our July 2022 curl box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that I can continue to bring you more videos like this one. Bye.